Grade 10s, we are looking at isometric drawing page 8, where we are given the front view, the top view, and the right view of a model in third angle orthographic projection. And the point A, which is your lowest point, has been given on the drawing sheet, which is there. So this is your front view, that is your top view, and this is your right view. And of course, the 45-degree line is there, which basically leads you to the different parts that we will have linking with one another from the different views. And you will be able to ascertain what these dimensions are by looking at the different views and how it relates to each other. Okay, so if you look at this drawing, I'm going to show you a different method of producing isometric drawings where we're going to make use of the block method. Of course, no hidden detail in this drawing is required, and that will be your starting point. Now, for planning purposes, I'm going to take this white sheet and I'm going to create my starting point over here, which is going to be my lowest point. And I'm going to start with my three most important lines, which is 30 degrees to my right, 30 to my left, and my line and my height line, which goes up vertically. I'm going to have to look at point A. This here on this side here is going to be my width, which is my shorter side, which is going to be 60. So I'm going to mark off that 60 on that line. This side of my A is going to be my length. That's my longer side, and you will see here it's 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 gives me 80, which is going to be there. And I'm going to have a height of 10 plus 30 plus another 20, which is going to give me 60, which is going to be measured from here to there. And by doing so, and having my three dimensions, I can actually draw an entire box by doing this and projecting it back, and there I have an entire box of which I have put my respective drawing in. Now I can close it up like that, and that's basically the box that I formulated. And now I'm going to use the box and cut out the pieces that are not belonging to this model. So the first thing that I'm going to cut out is going to be this sunken section here, and it's going to be 20 and a 20 cut out. So 20 from the back is going to be there, so I'm going to measure 20 and I'm going to measure another 20. And I'm going to drop down by that much, which is 20. So I'm going to draw these lines down and measure down 20. And as soon as I have that, there will be a line forming here on that side, and there will be a corner forming there as well. So I've cut that part out. I'm now going to go to my front part here, where it slants basically to a height of 10. So firstly, I'm going to create my slanted top. So that's going to go in 20 millimeters. So I'm going to measure 20 in from there, and I'm going to draw a line like that there. And I'm going to measure up from the bottom, which is 10 up from the bottom, and I'm going to draw a line there. Now I'm going to slant directly from the 20 to my 10, which is going to be a non-isometric line like that there. Then I will have a middle part that has been cut away. So that middle part is going to be 20, 20, 20, and that I have transferred these dimensions over. So I'm going to measure at the bottom 20 and another 20, which will give me the 60 that the width is all about. And I'm going to do the same on this line over here, 20 and 20. And then I'm going to project that up till there, and I'm going to transfer my non-isometric line down like that. Then learners, I will find that at the top actually goes back in by 10. So I'm going to project that to the back 30 degrees and measure off 10 millimeters. So my 10 millimeters will be there. And once I cut this part out, I'm going to have a line that will fade away there. And I'm going to have a line that will fade away here at 30 degrees as well. And somehow they will meet up, which would be regarded as a dash line, which is not needed in this drawing. So that basically will be my planning of my isometric drawing and how I unfold the drawing in a block method. If I need to highlight it, I'm just going to make sure that these are the lines that will be solid and that I have to clearly indicate those solid lines. And from there I can project this drawing into my final drawing which I'm going to do. And please observe very carefully how I'm going to do that.